Hi, kings and queens. It's Ask Angel Anything. Well, today we're going to get serious. We're talking about taxes. Yes, yes, yes. It is about that time, baby. You better have your W-2s, because if you don't, you lose. Snooze, you lose. No, not really. I'm just playing. But maybe, depending on your baby mama, baby daddy drama. And we'll get into a little bit of that. But let's get right into it. Just a little bit of background about me. I've been working for the Internal Revenue Service for about 4 or 5 years now. And I'm pretty knowledgeable in account management, which is basically any and everything you call for over the phone that have to do with your personal taxes. So we're going to cut right to the chase. I'm sure that if you've tried to file by now, which the filing date did open January 23rd, 2017, then you're probably already aware that your refund is being held, and it is being held hostage until February 15th. Well, that is because of a new act called the PATH Act, which is called Protecting Americans from Tax Heights Act. Okay, and that basically just means that we are holding your entire refund. We are no longer giving out portions. We are literally holding the entire thing, especially if you are claiming any refundable credits. That's refundable credits as far as earned income credit, child tax credit, additional child tax credit, or any educational credits. Again, if it causes a refund and it is considered to be a refundable credit, that we are holding it hostage. Now, after February 15th, we will start implementing refund dates that could start as early, direct deposit as early as February 27th. All right, so along with that, understand that it is going to be every year from here on out, the first 21 days of the filing season, which is normal processing time frame for electronic file returns. Now, we also have changes to ITINs. As of January 1st, 2007, if your ITIN, which is an individual taxpayer identification number, has expired, and these are usually for people who do not have access to a Social Security number. Okay. Basically, if it hasn't been used in the past 3 years on a tax return, we are expiring it, and you will need to renew. It takes about 11 weeks to renew, so I suggest you hop on it if it has expired. Okay. As well, any ITINs with middle digits 78 and 79 are permanently expired. Now, for all of you Uber and Lyft drivers out there, as well as truck drivers and anyone who drives for business affairs, your new going rate is going to be 54 cents per mile. That is a drop. It's a drop from 57.5 cents per mile. Okay. And that's from, the rate from 2015. Moving forward, there is a lot of people taking people's Social Security numbers and doing bad things like ID theft returns. We don't like them. We don't want to see them. We really don't want to deal with them. But that's our job, is to protect the American taxpayers. So if you lost your ID theft PIN, guess what? You have to file a paper return, especially if you moved. So let me retract that statement. If you have not moved as of the beginning of January 1st, 2017, and your address was and remained the same in the tax year 2016, then your identity theft PIN should have been mailed directly to that address. If you lost it or did not receive it, please give us a call, 1-800-829-1040, in order to retrieve your number. Now, that's not saying that we can give any ID theft pins over the phone. Those are still going to be the original ones that are mailed to you. Okay. Understand that we have suspended replacement pins. Guess what? You can't call us anymore and say, oh, woe is me, I lost my pin, give me one over the phone so I can just e-file. Nah, not gonna happen. Sorry, you're just gonna have to file a paper return without any pin and suffer the consequences of a 6 to 8 week processing time frame. All right, moving right along. If you know your information and you haven't moved and you don't have time to call the Internal Revenue Service, go to irs.gov, G-O-V, and you're going to type in get a IP PIN, and it's going to instruct you whether or not you're eligible to receive a IP PIN online. Okay. Understand that, again, your address does play a major role in this. If there is a period missing, a apartment number not correct, if your street is really a drive and you need it to be changed or your mail wasn't properly delivered, sorry, you're going to have to file a return. All right. Moving forward, and this is a scary one. Has to do with possible scams, because now we are contracting third-party collection agencies to call you and to try to recoup any tax liability that hasn't been paid in previous years, including the current year. So that means that if you do get a call and someone says, hey, you owe $3,000 or some odd dollars to the Internal Revenue Service, it may not be a scam. And that is the scary part. Now, please understand that we are doing the best that we can to continue to collect on the American debt that we hold. Okay? But at the same time, it's a scary world out there. It is very scary. Giving your information over the phone when someone is asking or trying to verify is very scary. So understand that if we do call you, as far as the third-party collections agencies, if you are not comfortable or you feel that it is a scam in any way, please hang up the phone immediately and give us a call at 1-800-829-1040. To verify that you actually do have a tax liability or a tax debt. If you don't, you may be talking to the right people. You may be talking to a scam artist that may be in India somewhere, trying to scare, your old Auntie B or something. But at the end of the day, there are a lot of changes. I will be trying to keep everyone informed when it comes to IRS debt changes, any laws that were made or implemented that I can give information out to the public. I will certainly try to keep you informed. If you like this video and you find it informational, please like it. Hit the like button. Looks something like this, and subscribe. I know I'm a new person on the channel, but I'm goofy, I'm funny, and hey, I know a lot of stuff. So ask me a question if you have any questions, any tax questions that you may want me to research about. Leave a comment down below. Make sure, again, that you subscribe, leave a comment. If you have a text question that you need answered, I will certainly try to answer it to the best of my ability, of course. And as always, I am not licensed in tax preparation. So any time that you question my information, please contact the Internal Revenue Service or your certified public accountant or tax professional for a more thorough second opinion. And I'll see you. This has been Ask Angel Anything, and there's more videos to come.